Hello, welcome back to Think Digital. Today we're going to learn how to resize images in Canva. First, open your design, go to Canva and load up the design you're working on. I have my project right here in the page number 3. Just click on the image that you want to resize. You will have to drag the corners like this to adjust it to your canvas. You can also use this toolbar right up side of the Canva homepage. If you're looking for precise dimensions, you can also check the top toolbar with width and height fields. Enter your desired sizes there. But if you have Canva Premium Pro, then you will be able to resize from the resize section. Go to resize and then you will be able to resize your all of the images like here. Now, if you want to crop this image with the purpose of resizing your photo, then just go to crop and then you can just adjust your photo to the cropping size, and you can also your aspect ratio can be judged by 1:1, 16:9, and then just after doing the cropping, tap on done. Now to adjust the corners, you will see little circles or squares on the edges of the image. Drag those inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. Like this, you can adjust to your image, but right here you can see my picture has been cut. But for you to precise your dimensions and all, you can go to resize where you will be able to put your desired width or height, or you can also go for the crop section right here. But if you need the entire canvas to be resized, then you can go to file option, tap on create new design, tap on custom size, then just tap on your desired width, height, then just tap on create design. Desired function will be right here in the Canva homepage. That's all for today. This is how you can easily resize your images in Canva. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials like this, have a good day.